Bridging the communication gap, a guide to stronger relationships. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any healthy and enduring relationship. It fosters intimacy, trust, and mutual understanding. However, many couples struggle with communication breakdowns, leading to misunderstandings, resentment, and emotional distance. This article provides practical strategies to improve communication and strengthen your bond. Understanding the communication breakdown. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to recognize common communication barriers. Different communication styles. Individuals have unique ways of expressing themselves, which can lead to misunderstandings. Unresolved emotions. Bottling up feelings can create tension and hinder open dialogue. Lack of active listening. Not fully paying attention to your partner can create a sense of disconnection. Assumptions. Making assumptions about your partner's thoughts or feelings can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Defensiveness. Becoming defensive when criticized or challenged can hinder open communication. Building stronger communication. To face these challenges and resolve the issue, apply the following strategies. Practice active listening. Give your partner your undivided attention, reflect on what they've said, and show genuine interest. Use I statements. Express your feelings without blaming your partner. This fosters open and honest communication. Be mindful of nonverbal cues. Pay attention to body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions to better understand your partner's emotions. Choose the right time and place. Create a calm and private environment for important conversations. Show empathy and validation. Understand your partner's perspective, even if you disagree. Develop conflict resolution skills. Learn to compromise. Focus on specific behaviors and manage your emotions during disagreements. Foster openness and honesty. Create a safe space for sharing thoughts, feelings, and needs without fear of judgment. Improve written communication. Ensure clarity and avoid misunderstandings in digital communication. Seek professional help. Consider couples therapy if communication issues persist. Commit to continuous improvement. Communication is a skill that requires practice and dedication. Overcoming specific communication challenges. In addition to these general guidelines, address specific communication challenges head-on. The silent treatment. Openly communicate your feelings instead of withdrawing. Criticism. Focus on specific behaviors and use I statements to express your concerns. Stonewalling. Take a break if needed, but return to the conversation when you've calmed down. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. Both partners must be committed to creating a safe and open environment for sharing thoughts and feelings. By implementing these strategies and fostering mutual respect, you can significantly improve your relationship and build a stronger connection.